That might have affected the FedEx no rain, no sleet, no snow, no heat retired shirt. FedEx no rain, no sleet, no snow, no heat retired shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. I think for my mom, the struggle comes from being able to FedEx no rain, no sleet, no snow, no heat retired shirt. Visualize what metric measurements mean. Totally this. I'm a Northern European living in the UK. My child was born here, and at the hospital weighed and measured in grams and cm. The young midwife didn't flinch, but the older one was trying to convert it to pounds, ounces and inches. Looking it up like, what's that in pounds? Imperial doesn't really mean much to me. I know logically what it is in metric, but as you say, I don't have the reference point. From driving I know the miles reference point, but that's because my car shows miles per hour as well as kilometer per hour. Other products.